Yes, folks, back at it again. August Thursday, Meets Bay 2024. Race just start. We don't get a good outfly. The wasp get a good outfly. We got a lightning piece in the shed here trying to get out. Let me need them. She got too much of crew. So look, we got 7 boats today, guys, or the big boats. 7 boats, guys. I've got 13, 7 show up today. So about half of them, the other half stayed Santa Cruz. The boomers are going to drive. Hey, these drones fast enough, man. They got on blue blades. She loud enough. Wizard done gone. Don't catch you again, that's it. Yeah, she done both of there already now. She done so far in front of the point, she already both of there. Okay, we need on a tailgate. But I can match up his stun. At least I doing it now, would it? At least if you drop them like that behind her there. So yes, guys, August Thursday just starts. 7 boats in contention. A few boats is missing today. This is your 2024 boat of the year, the Step. She won the race today with the small boats. Captained by Eddie and crew. Some of the Sonic crew. And the Sonic ain't in today, guys. Sonic had a little work on her to do and she didn't get through with the work today. So she missed out on the race today. The wizard out front, followed by the real eel. Then on the upside of the real eel is the wasp, and right behind is the speed and comfort. Then make up the rear here, you got a lightning piece. Under she out front is the shed. And missing somebody else. Somebody else should go there with them and need the bluebird. The bluebird sticking up right there, guys. So this is a 7 boat today, guys. It should be a lovely race. The bad boy already out in front. I don't like when she go wrong first because it makes the race too easy to predict. But you never know. Somebody can find a little trim today. You will see. The boats now on the inside, run down the boats on the outside of them. Well, why should you got a satellite fellas then? Yeah, then. Well, you get anything I'll be honest. Fighting for position. You see the watch come back over and the visual again? Let me here, the watch trying to stop the wizard. That's okay then. Yeah, because the man going hard and the young way outside now. The wizard stayed on the way. Everybody driving for position. And then I've been blowing too, you know. Downwind fighting like this, I don't want to see coming east. You know the watch going back down again too. Oh God, they are jokes. Hey guys, we out here fishing. We out here fishing with chicken. A little lemon shark, he get away? He get away? He busts the line. Oh Lord, he get away guys. Look at a little lemon shark. Yes folks, the list is a quarter mile. The Shan gone wrong first. Followed by the Speed Comfort, Real Deal, Was, Wizard, Light Piece, and the Blue One. So the next peak is Upwind. It is the Upwind, this is Shan, close behind Speed and Comfort, Real Deal and Was. The boat is pretty close today guys, no matter has no big jumps, the only little gap is between the Blue Bird and the Lightning Piece. But these first 5 boats is pretty close. First 5 boats right here guys is pretty close. He's up here, Wally. Huh? He's up here. Got the stake right here. And the sea hard today, so I can't go all the way up here. Go all the way down there. And everybody don't come this way first. What? Huh? The wizard, boy. Yeah? Bye, yeah? Yeah, the shan't get one to go wrong now.
When is going to be in the back?
Striking distance. Shan gone wrong. Win hard, boy. Woo! Win hard, boy. Speed and comfort. Was in the real deal. Really far below the was. Watch the bullet, boy. Watch the bullet coming wrong now. Watch the bullet. Everybody's sticking on the stake. Everybody's sticking on the stake. Yo, she doesn't jump up at it. When she far below the was above.
She far below, Charlie.
She'll come back. But then probably she gotta watch it in light in peace. Okay, she below, she below. She below. The me gonna go too far there, though. A lot hassle going on here, man. Giddy up, giddy up. Shan look good still. The Wassing look bad, covering the real deal in the wizard. The wizard don't get stifling. The wizard gonna want to come back, she leave everybody to go. She gonna want to come back, she ain't gonna want to stay down there. I think everybody's settled away. Speed of company ain't look bad now. Since she's settling herself. Yeah. See water. Yeah. Okay, speed and comfort come back. Chance still going if them there. Light and peace come back. So the first two come back is the speed and comfort and the light and peace. We still got the Shen, Was, Real Deal, Wizard still going hard. Making up the rear going hard is the Bluebird. Light and peace stick up. Stick up. I can't back. She just tack, she can't go back already, she stick up. Okay, Wizard break it up. That means okay, a lot of boats don't start to come back now. Wizard come. No, we good for now. We good for now. Wizard come back. Like the PC ain't get started yet. Wizard ain't get started yet. Good night. She watching the Bluebird. Okay, she clear. All right, outside. So you gotta send your head way down. Leave the boat catch a wind. Speed of comfort look good so far. Look good. Nobody else come back here, everybody's still going in and out. So the Shan's still out there. Real Deal, Was. No, the Bluebird. Bluebird high twin. Bluebird high, boy. Bluebird. Yeah, boy. I remember she crossed the Wizard too, eh? She went on last. This is speed and comfort right here. Speed and comfort right here. Wizard cross on, Wizard cross on. Wizard don't cross on. I mean, she stick up in them. And the Real Deal going to lead the Was, man. The Was just falling. Falling. Real Deal roll now. Once they don't touch a boom. Sail out your boat, fellas. Sail out your boat, Real Deal. Sail out your boat. Bluebird come back, good tech. Once you get a clean start. Once you get a clean start. Yeah, that good. Good tech, Bluebird make a good tech. Just gotta get started, she ain't fully started yet. Don't force her, don't force her. Don't force her, see she ain't fully started yet. Keep that tail up there, beggar. Keep that jib full, ease that sheet. Keep that jib stay full. Ease it. She ain't started good yet. There's a wizard right here, guys. Speed and comfort up here. Okay, so what's that now? So yes, folks, we're still going upwind on the same drag. We have the speed and comfort still out front. There's a wizard behind here, but she's a little more windward than her. Then you have the bluebird and the real deal. Sea's a little chopper today, guys, so I had to come a little ahead of the boats to get a little footage. We still got the speed and comfort in command. Wizard making up the second position, closely behind. Bluebird, real deal, and Shen. The lightning piece, I think, break her mast, and the wasp sail drop down. So out of the 7, 2 boats already break down, so only 5 boats remaining. So this is the speed and comfort still out front. Looking good today, I ain't gonna lie. She's holding her own. Hope she could maintain it straight up. But today is a little bit of seawater, guys, so I can't get much footage. So I'm trying to get ahead of the boats and then tape and then go ahead again until I get to the smoother water. So yeah, so today will be a short and sweet battle. So yes, guys, we're still going upwind. We just had a little rain squall. Still in command, I would say, is the speed and comfort, followed by the wizard, bluebird, and then the real deal and the shell. That's it. The other boats are out, which is the lightning piece and the wasp. Lightning piece, yeah, she wanna break her mast, I think. And the wasp, like her sail drop down. Wizard? Second boat come up with the right in her sail, yeah. So like almost like a one drag race, guys. The speed and comfort went wrong second, the Shen went wrong first. But the speed and comfort was the first to break it up, so she get that jump on all those other boats. And so far she's maintaining it. She's looking real good. Wizard is right behind, walking on. And then you got the bluebird right here. I think she fall under the wizard now. But still got a real lead, they're coming out the knots. So the race is more like a one drag. Everything, once you hold your height going up here, they all should make it to Meads Bay. So the wind ease up a little bit. So we're gonna see now this is gonna favor the wizard a little more because she's a trim boat. In a high wind, the wizard was looking good, holding her own. I mean the speed and comfort. When the wind ease up now, we're gonna see how trim and balanced she be to go up here with the wizard. So the wizard's a trim boat, guys, and she's gonna sail. No matter what, she's gonna sail. So we're gonna see what the outcome of this in the next. You can see the next maybe 20 minutes. They should be close to Manahana. There's a one drag race. The wind ease off after the little rain pass. So yeah, we ain't too far away. So that's your leader right there, guys. Speed and comfort. Speed and comfort. I'll shout out my boy Elvis. People. I think we have some of the Sonic fellas in there as well. The Sonic didn't race today. So people races in the step with the Sonic crew. So maybe they just went with him to give him some extra hands and extra weight. So she's a different animal today, guys. She has a little bit more weight now today than normal. And she's looking good so far. Must say she's looking good. But the beast is right behind here. This is the boat to beat on a regular. You have to beat she on a regular because she don't give up. She don't give up, don't count her out. The race is not done as yet. That's the bluebird here and the real deal. Then back here you got the Shen. Yeah. So yes, guys, we still have the speed and comfort in command. And she right here. Following up behind is the wizard. Bluebird. Real deal. Back here is a Shen. So the speed and comfort is still in command, guys, with this one drag. She's doing pretty nice. Must say, she's keeping the bullet a little bit under control today. The bullet is spreading to come, but just keeping it under control, guys. The race is almost over. Alala's not too far. looking good. I think she could do a little more to get her riggings a little better. You know, like how her sail is fitted. Her sail is flapping. Compared to these boats, guys, these boat sails fit like a plank. Plank. So I think when they get this problem corrected, she will be a boat to reckon with. She's getting a little baffled off, I think coming off her jib. But she's moving. She looks like she's moving, but she's moving. So people in the combine, people them should feel proud. The little operation Bullet did on the boat is doing well, but Bullet did say that she's the boat that will stop the Wizard. I won't brag on this race because it's like a one lead race. In Wizard is a boat you gotta beat 3, 4, 5 times to say that, okay, up in your bracket. The real lead is trying for the whole year. You can ask Billy. They should had it yesterday and them get greedy and then buy them down. So, Wizard take away the sweet from them. Yeah, see what you want. So let's see if people's gonna stay up here, if you're gonna bite this tongue as well. Yeah. You only not this year tall, boy. Oi. Oh, we are in the water. So yes guys, this is just speed and comfort. Just giving you a lot of speed with a little comfort today. It's looking good, looking real good. I must say, she is living up to her name right now. Speed with a little comfort. I don't know how she feels inside. She's pretty new. So she should be comfortable. I wonder if I got any cushions on the inside, any coolers on the inside. No, I didn't do this. This is a leader, guys. This is a leader right here. Speed and comfort. Speed and comfort right here, guys. Command. Right behind here is a Wizard. Yeah, speed and comfort right here, guys. Look really nice.
Go straight home!
Hey, she got some man on her twin. The motors. Man on her side, boy.
Don't touch it, straight up!
Woo!
Take it slowly!
Yeah, but I tell you, you set up the boat. Go up, Billy, go up, Billy. Go up. Them man on a big boat, but it's big, them say. Yes guys, so this is the leader right now. Speed with a lot of comfort today, them say guys. Speed with a lot of comfort. Yes guys, this is your leader right now. I think you should make the best tack today guys by pushing it all in. And to make one drag up. That was Wizard to the back of me. Yeah, nah, we good. That's a Wizard right here. And then here's the buoy. Right there, guys. August Thursday, 2024. Down at Meads Bay. Leading the pack is the speed and comfort out of Blowing Point. Wow. These are names they don't hear too much up front, guys, but you can hear it today. 2024. We have the speed and comfort. I don't know how much of it is comfort, but giving it some speed. Oh my. We have some speed today. Race is almost done, guys. We have Malahana right here. So I don't think nobody's going to beat up from here again so easy. Yeah. It'll be up the front, man. Big it.
One family.
My God, that's rope! That's rope!
Why? You gotta take it when you get it. The man win 2 races by. They're winning the step, they're winning the speed and comfort.
That means Sonic back up.
You think the easy the racer for years can't win a race? Yeah. You stay there, man. We alright. The blue ball come back up high too, boy. Yeah. Blue ball come back up there real good, boy. Wow, blue ball catcher. Yeah. The blue ball did well. No one can win them still. So this is second and third boat here, guys. The Wizard in the Bluebird. And a light little wind here. Look at the Bluebird has a little momentum right now. Yeah. Bluebird got a little momentum. Bluebird, don't go too far, don't go too far. Got the stake down there. The Bluebird got a little momentum here, bye.
My blue ball up here.
Oh,
yeah, but blue ball got more speed now. Look. Blue ball got more speed now. Look.
Go so, Billy. Go so, Billy.
Go so, Billy.
Wow. 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 Blue ball got her. The blue ball got her. Wow. Blue ball got her, boy. Yeah, boy. Everybody want to be the Wizard, but he said let me.
Pull your jib. Pull your boat.
Them done in, man. Them done in. Them done in. Blue ball get a second. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That was, hey. I don't know what she do down there, but she come up there real nice and that calm. I'm gonna fly above it. That's the real deal, making up the fourth. Shall went too far in that, man. Bluebird feel good, but once I beat the Wizard, everybody feel good. Wizard get some blows again today, why? She get tired. She still boat of the year, eh? She's still boat of the year, guys. So you know she's going for champ or champs now on Sunday. Sunday I'm going for champ or champs, boy.
if anyone go with anything,
Speed and comfort?
anyone go
No man, you're still Sonic man. And it needed comfort much he had nothing there too.
Keep a trim right here.
Yeah, she got a lot of Sonic Cook. I remember Perry racing and stay up and edit him. That's your 5th boat there, guys, the Shen. These boats went too far in that. The Bluebird did well though, by the catch of result. Bluebird did well. Everybody wrong, eh? That's your 4th. That's the 5th boat, guys. Other 2 boats break down. Wow, Moby Dick overboard. Somebody stop her, boy. Somebody stop her, boy. Well, like an axe today. Shan went too far in the north, too far in the north. No, that this one got up here? The one in the back? No, that's Tune. Pam Saloon. That was the Hobart Moon. Fifth boat get more celebration than first boat. Hazel there, yeah. Yes guys, August Thursday is over. 2024 goes to the Speed and Comfort. Second place, the Bluebird. Third, the Wizard. That's your champion over there, guys. That's she right there. Over and out.
Yeah, right up for them.